Question: what are the benefits and positive sides of digital marketing? What are the benefits and positive sides of digital marketing? Well, there are a ton of positive sides, but if I gotta make sure I concise this, because I can tell you 100 million things, but the thing is, it's not different than marketing. It's the exact same thing. It comes senior before selling, which means that, hey, you can be the best at closing the deal. You can be the best at presenting a product. But if you do not market first, if you do not grab attention, nobody's going to know you and you're going to have nobody to present your product, offer, solutions, services. Digital marketing offers an angle in marketing that is really interesting. Before we try to hit pretty much as many people as we can, and the one that was able to spend the most money on the most amount of people was the one that was going to win. That was basically how it worked. Now it's the same thing, but with a little interesting twist. Digital marketing helps us to pretty much reach anybody that we want. Like if I want to target somebody that lives in a specific country, has a specific income, that does a specific job and that likes the color red, I can do that. So what's incredibly interesting with online marketing is that we can directly target a specific customer. And I'm going to talk about that further into today's show. But this is incredibly interesting because it helps you being targeted and make sure that the customer on the other end sees that, hey, this offer is made for me and this is something I definitely need. And you can play with that as a business owner a lot, and you can make sure that it helps as much as possible your customer, and you can make as much profit as possible on your hand.